Welcome to Tiskitari. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll tell you guys all about the defensive midfielder that Kaizer Chiefs are after. He is a Zimbabwean. They call him the next Masha, and also Sizokhuluma ngoXolani Xhosa. I have a clip of him. For those of you who do not know who Xolani Xhosa is, we'll discuss him, and also a contract extension guy Dillion Solomons. But guys, first let's talk about some of the World Cup news. Bafana playing tonight against Canada. But let's congratulate Africa, guys. CAF has the most qualifications in terms of the countries that have qualified for the last 2022. CAF has 90%. They are followed by CONMEBOL with 83.3%, followed by UEFA with 81.25%. CONCACAF follows with 50%, and AFC with 22.2%. So Africa, they're making us proud. Let's hope that they will continue to qualify for the next round. Right, we know that Hugo Broos is leaving after the World Cup. Pitso Mosimane has applied for the position, and they say that he is the leading candidate. So that is as far as Pitso Mosimane is concerned, guys. Bafana versus Canada, best 11. What do you think of this starting 11 that I have on the screen for you? Williams in goal, the back four of Mudau, Okon, and Mbogazi. And by the way, Mbogazi has received he's received an 86.6 rating for World Cup. That makes him the best defender at the World Cup. Let's hope he will make the World Cup team of the tournament if he continues with his fine performances tonight against Canada. So yeah, that is Mbogazi Mutau to complete that back four. And Lapayane Siswini, I have Mokoena and Nombacha. I think they understand each other better than Mokoena and Nostole. Remember, Mokoena is coming back from suspension and he will slot straight back into the lineup. We have Mfukeng in front of them. Mfukeng, he is rated as the fourth most creative player at the World Cup. You can imagine if we were at that game against Mexico, he'd probably be at number one. However, he is fourth. That is Relem Mofokeng. And in terms of Relem Mofokeng news, Bayer Leverkusen have submitted an offer to Orlando Pirates. The amount is unknown. However, Bayer Leverkusen, they campaign in the Bundesliga. We know that Kaizer Chiefs are also going to Germany. They'll be playing the likes of Borussia Dortmund, and they'll also be playing the likes of Leverkusen in Mainz. So yeah, Bayer Leverkusen, they are there in the Bundesliga. Let's hope Relem Mofokeng will make that move finally, and if he continues with his good performances at the World Cup, we will see that move finally happening. Apolis, Masego, they flank Reynes there at top. I don't know whether Hugo Broos will see it the same way. I don't think, maybe not. He won't drop Evidence Makopa. But yeah, Reynes, I think he is more suited to play against Canada. Right, and Nibonile Lapayano Masego, Inandos, they've made an ad, made a Masego. Nando's is winning Masego menu. So nice one from Nando's, Bamba Lapayana, on the viral nature of that Tapelo Masego goal. Right, and then in other news, Tashreeq Morris is set to reunite with Upen Yosef at Durban City. Tashreeq Morris never really made an impact. Remember, was signed by Nasruddin Nabi, and I wonder if Ben Yosef will play him at Durban City. We saw it didn't use him that much at Kaizer Chiefs, but yeah, they know what they're doing in Durban City. That is Ben Yosef reuniting with Lokuzana Tashreeq Morris. Right, and Lokuzana, guys, let's talk about Xolani Xosa. You saw the video of Xolani Xosa doing incredible things. He is a left center back developed by Kaizer Chiefs. Bemfuna TS Galaxy, so Kaizer Chiefs were warding off TS Galaxy yathanda ukuthathela Kaizer Chiefs center back. We saw the center back that is currently at Mamelodi Sundowns. He making his Bafana bow left. Also another left-footed center back. They come in rare, the left-footed center backs. So Kaizer Chiefs have managed to wrap up Xolani Xosa, giving him a 3-year contract. So yeah, welcome our very own development product, that is Xolani Xosa. Right, guys, if you haven't seen Xolani Xosa, let us have a look at his clip. Okay, yeah, right. That was Upolani Kosa, guys. Fantastic left-footed centre back. Sambona ukuthi awashaya nama-free kick. It looks like he is a dead ball specialist. So Kaiser Chiefs need a modern defender, a dead ball specialist as well. He can take those free kicks with that long range. He can take long range shots as well. Similar to Mbogazi, I think he's very much similar to Mbogazi. However, Mbogazi, we know he's not a dead ball specialist, but Kosa, he is. He takes those free kicks and he's able to score them. Right, let's talk about the defensive midfielder that I was telling you guys about from Zimbabwe. You know that Scotland SC, they're coming to South Africa to play Kaiser Chiefs Go Toyota Cup. So we'll get a glimpse of who really is this guy. They call him the next Nengomashe. His name is Moses Shidolo. Moses Shidolo, defensive midfielder, udlalela eScotland SC. Udlala nabo Knowledge Musona, udlala nabo Kama Billiard. We will see them in action during the Toyota Cup after Kaiser Chiefs return from their German tour. So yeah, guys, that is the Toyota Cup. Look out for that. We'll talk about the Toyota Cup when it comes closer. I just wanted to tell you guys, I'll give you guys update on Moses Shidolo. He is a defensive midfielder at Scotland FC. So yeah, that is all I do have for you guys for today. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. Let us support the African countries at the World Cup. We will see Morocco playing against Netherlands, Mzansi versus Canada, Ivory Coast versus Norway, Cape Verde versus Argentina, Ghana versus Colombia, Egypt versus Australia, Senegal versus Belgium, DR Congo versus England, and Algeria wrapping up African countries against Switzerland. So watch out for those fixtures. Let's support Africa. Let's hope most of the African countries will go into the round of 16. So that is all I have for you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.